progression on the spiritual path, everything that we learn is something that we have to let go of. Let's talk about teaching and why truly gifted teachers, it's very hard to find. So it really depends on what you're looking for. People are always asking, how do I find a teacher near me? Fortunately, in this day and age, we have the internet, so that helps with the proximity issue. But it really is tricky, because everything that we learn from a teacher, from the perspective of spiritual advancement, we could say, progression on the spiritual path, everything that we learn is something that we have to let go of to continue on. And it's very common for students to take what a teacher says and basically canonize it. But these are just the beginning level stepping stones for that teacher's system. Whether it's created by that teacher or whether it's a system that's, very old, it's stepping stones. So the things that we do, that we're told to do, these are all things that need to be let go of. The system itself needs to be let go of. So then we have to ask, if you're a teacher, how do you train someone in a way that creates the least barriers for them to let go of, the least blockages that they're going to have to contend with later on in their practice? Because these are what will hold us back. And it is within the confines of these particular systemic forms, thought forms, belief forms, emotional forms, etc., that our growth stops. Now, we might develop very high skill, spiritual skill sets, energetic skill sets within the confines of those particular boxes that are endemic to that system. But at the same time, the growth from a spiritual perspective can be capped at that point. So it is quite tricky when you're teaching. How do you help someone improve without hindering them? And this is something that it's real hard. I've said that a few times. But one of the best ways that I've encountered, and what I try to do with my students as well, is to encourage whatever the interest is, the excitement, the passion in that particular time, in that person's development. Whatever the excitement is, encourage that to be explored. And you never know, someone's relationship to a particular type of information, what they can do with it, might be far more than I can conceive of engaging in that activity a lot myself. Everyone's going to relate with information, with different skills in different ways. So this is something to keep in mind as a teacher, is basically trying to free the students as much as possible to grow and to learn and evolve, instead of imposing the constraints of system on that psyche. So anyway, that's all I got to say on that. This is a nice view. This might make a good picture. Yeah. All right. Thanks for your time. Bye.